bathroom, and the laundry room, master bedroom, master bedroom closet. There's your own corridor here with these two doors. And this is the master bathroom. You got your shower, toilet, and bidet.